Hello once again. I flipped it sideways, as we looking at this weather, okay? Uh-huh. So it's a rainy, stormy day, you know. This afternoon, March the 23rd, 2021, stuff like that. So here I go filming the rain, as always. You know, I'm a so-called weatherman. Not not just a YouTuber, a so-called weatherman. If I'm going to be on YouTube and Facebook Live, I gotta be a weatherman. So just like if it so happen to snow out here, I'm gonna be standing out here. Yes, I will be standing out here if I ever be if I so call a weatherman in action. So it's falling. It's gonna be 100% probably about 9 inches. 9 inches of rain or 10 inches of rain. It's pouring down everywhere, all the way from the sky. Well, y'all already know it's from the sky. Okay, so I shouldn't talk silly like that. Okay. And Sherelle not even watching this right now. Oh, Emmanuel watching right now. So anyway, it's gonna be more rain and more rain. I don't know what time it's gonna stop for. So, way I think about it, ladies and gentlemen, long as y'all safe in y'all house, laying down, having some hot cocoa or hot tea, or a bowl of soup, or a bowl of gumbo stew, regular gumbo, okay? I sure wish Tanya was watching though, but all I'm saying is, if Tanya watching this video right now, it's probably about 2 or 3 years from now, okay, or it's probably a year from now that she watching this show right now. If I'm somebody walking through, well, never mind that person, okay. Yep, it's a stormy day, What a stormy day, okay? Rainy, stormy day, okay? What y'all doing the rainy day schedule? What y'all doing during the rainy day schedule? Need to know. Let it rain, other side, close the door. Let it rain, rain, rain. Don't you go away. I like the way you sound when you tap on my window. I like the way you sound when you tap on my window. Rain, rain, don't you go away, sweet rain. Yep, sweet rain. So, look like it's gonna flood right here, Well, this is a shame for me to say this. That song came out in 1999. A group called Forbidden. Go on YouTube and type "Forbidden Let It Rain," okay? And y'all gonna listen to that song. I mean, what I mean by it's a shame for me to say this. It's a shame for me to say that song reminds me of a girl named Tanika. When it first came out, I was thinking about off that damn song, and I ain't even liked it at that time. It's a shame for me to feel that way about her. Listening to that song, I can't find the CD nowhere, and unfortunately, the album didn't release. At least they played the song on the radio in '99, and all of that Third Story first album haven't came out. Y'all remember Third Story? They were young guys. I compared them to the Jackson Five because the guy sounded like the young Michael Jackson. I never knew his name though. Got older, he don't sound like the young Michael Jackson no more. When he came out with their third album, Get With Me featuring Joe Button. Joe Budden, yeah. All right. Yep. It's gonna be raining for a couple of hours. Look like, you know. Stop the rain, then it'll start again. Stop again, start whatever. You know. Well, well. Is this day compared to that song "Summer Rain"? If the sun was out and if it was raining and the sun was out, I sure would love to listen to the Carl Thomas song "Summer Rain." You know, won't you be my summer rain? Won't you be my summer rain? Yep, I like that song "Summer Rain." I used to watch the box a lot. I sure missed that channel though. I mean MTV, VH1, BET, the box, much music, not nice fuse now, you know. Listening to music like that, you know. Well, all I say is I hope my friend make it home before the streets flood, you know. Oh, I can't check the what they call stalled right there for. Oh, probably about the U-turn or whatever. Well, never mind that. We go to school buses. I could barely see on that bus. Look like there are two or three students on that bus. You know. Y'all hear that thunder? Yeah, school people. I hope y'all letting kids out early. You know. Thank God I'm grown. Thank you Jesus that I'm grown. You know. Being stuck at school in the rain like that, with weather like this, heavy rain and stuff like that, and the streets flooding and all that. I mean that happened to us once before. It was 1998. It was around hurricane season, the beginning of the school year. Yeah, I remember that. You know, the beginning of the school year. You know, I was in the 8th grade at the time. You know, it rained like this, and we was in school at the time. We didn't get out of school until 3:15. You know, 3:15. And then at John Mack, we didn't get out of school until 2:45, 2:45. And then they extended hours because we took off for Hurricane Isabel in 2002 and extended to 3:45, 3:45. You know. Yes, indeed, yo. While it's raining hard like this and like that, like this and like that, you know. Like this and like that. Man, there's so somebody walking in the rain, whoever that is, going to his car. I hope they parked on higher grounds though. You know. All right. Yeah, you know, when you listen to music, you know, rainy songs. They you know, listening to rainy songs and stuff like that. You know, songs sound beautiful when it have rain in it. You know, but Case and JoJo Fee Fi Full Fum don't really sound rainy. You know, Lonely Heart sound rainy. You know. Well, listen to Case and JoJo's Is Real album. The intro sound beautiful. It sound rainy, you know. Uh-huh. Well, the rain is slacking up, look like. So, I guess this is it for now, all right? Unless it rain hard more. Okay? All right. Peace out.